Hey, Dana here with Breslow Home Design. We got something really special to share with you. We just recently finished up this project 2 days ago.
When my lover's near.
This is my friend Dominic. Not only is he my friend, he's my customer, and we just recently installed this incredible louvered roof for you.
Dana was on a deadline. I definitely was a little shaky, but my man came through and I have no regrets. It's totally amazing. All my guests, when they get here tonight, they're gonna be with the wow factor.
Yeah, that's for sure. Follow us, I wanna show you what we did over here.
Oh, lover, please, please stay.
Over here we've got a privacy wall that Dominic wanted to kind of have like an element that gave it a little bit more of an enclosure. Put a TV up, we've got lights, we've got fans, and we have plenty of alcohol today, by the way.
Let it be the night that I am longing for.
So right now I'm gonna go show you what the magic is with this product. Hit a button and voila, the louvers will open.
Just a drink, pina colada on.
Not only will they open, when it rains, they'll actually close automatically, which is amazing. So you can always keep your furniture dry. No longer do you have to go put them in the shed or cover them. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me about yourself. You own a business in Montclair, correct?
Yes, I've been in business for 30 years. It's a full service salon and spa. It's called Bangs. It's on 23 South Fullerton. Yeah, and that's what I do.
It's an amazing salon. It's not just a salon, it's a converted church.
It was built in the mid-1800s and we renovated it, and it took about 2.5 years. And hopefully Dana could actually help me do something on the side of my building as well in the future.
Go, don't say you need to run. Ow.
Yeah, so the whole thing here is that he had like a sun sail here before.
Right.
And yeah, it did partially the job.
It was horrible.
Okay, it was bad.
It was horrible. When it rained, everything went through it. It was getting ripped. It was just not the right application.
Just a drink, pina colada on.
So there you have it. This is an amazing project. We're super proud of it. We're thrilled to have a happy customer, and we're thrilled to work with you. So give us a call.